Welcome back to our last day of camp. Today we are going to be making Sir Isaac Brock puppets. What you need for this craft are markers, crayons, pencils, scissors, a glue stick. What you get is a brown paper bag, white construction paper, brown construction paper, red construction paper, and black construction paper. On your paper bag, you will see a side with the flap. This will actually be the front side of your puppet, so my flap, right here. The first thing I'm going to do is recreate Sir Isaac Brock's coat. So I'm going to take my glue stick, and I'm going to just put glue all over the front of the puppet, and not on the flap. Then I'm going to take my red piece of construction paper and I'm going to stick it on. I'm going to flip it over, see how I can see the axis by flipping it over, and I'm going to cut the axis off. Next, I'm going to recreate his hat. So I'm going to take my black piece of paper and cut out a semicircle. Now, for the feather on his hat, I'm actually going to take the axis of my red paper and cut out a circle. Take out my white paper and also cut another small circle. So you should be left with a semicircle and two small circles, and I'm going to first glue the white circle at the top right of my black semicircle, and I'm going to then glue the red one just below it. So it looks like this. Now feel free to take a marker and add little decorations to the hat if you'd like. And then when you're done, glue it to the back of your puppet. Now, after you have his hat on and his jacket, feel free to draw eyes, a nose, a mouth, and add decorations to his coat. So I'm going to split his coat in half by drawing a line straight down the middle, and I'm going to draw buttons and there you have it, your own Brock puppet. Feel free to keep adding decorations to make it exactly how you want. And don't forget to send your creations to the museum to be featured on our social media. Have a great weekend, everyone. Can you say bye, Brock? Bye!